This is Dr. Farooq. Today we will be talking about Rich Dad Poor Dad, lesson number one. The most important lesson because of which I think this book went viral, and the number one reason, the number one lesson that almost everybody read it is that the poor or the middle class they work for money while the rich put the money work for them. What happens is often you meet the people in middle class or in lower class. They say we don't have time. We don't have time to have fun. We don't have time for the holidays because we have to work day and night. Why? Because they go to work daily, they pay their bills, and they spend their whole life this way. On other side, what rich people do, they kind of go to work obviously, but they make assets that help them earn more. For instance, in this book, in other books, one thing has been mentioned again and again that poor people and middle class people they are addicted to stuff. When you go to the home of some poor person, you will find lot of things. Those things which are not even necessary. Whenever there is a sales and discounts, they are often for the poor people or the people in middle class. They kind of go outside their budget just because there is a sale, there is a discount. On the other side, the rich people they buy when they need something and they buy things which kind of help them earn more. So this is the lesson number one. If you are focusing on a job and you are hoping that you will be rich, then there are the facts which are unfortunate facts that nobody ever became rich through the job. The best way is to earn some money then invest it. Maybe in job sometimes looks convenient, maybe it looks less risky, but in the long run this book proves that jobs become a burden. Those people who do job, who rely on the government, who rely on other organizations, often in the older age, government thinks they're burden, their companies think they're burden. So the only way we can become less burden on the companies, we can do something better for ourselves, for our coming generations, is to do the business, is to create assets that earn more. Thank you.